Hi YouTube, here's my Ram 1500. Here is the 5-inch exhaust system on that. Look how big that thing is. Cat back, goes all the way back. We'll see. Um, anyway, pretty freaking awesome. Custom job. Right to there. It's anyway, pretty dope. He said I've never seen anybody on YouTube have a system like this. Anyway, half ton. It's the size full cab and 6.5 foot box as a 3/4 ton, but see, half ton. Anyway, I'll give you guys a warm start. Just got home from work, so you can kind of have an idea. And then get up in the morning, I'll try to get a cold start. It's about 32 degrees outside right now. Let's see here. Just pure power. Like I said, it's not terribly loud. I mean, it's loud, but not too bad. But it just is pure awesome as far as exhaust. I love it. Pretty excited. Anyway, hope you all have a good night.